Hello guys. Frequent rejections in IT job interviews can be frustrating, but with the persistent and the strategic adjustments, you can improve your chances of success. Here are some tips and tricks for you guys to help you overcome repeated failures in IT job interview. Here I noted down few of them. Just I will go to discuss about that one. So the first one is review technical skills. Yeah, so ensure that your technical skills are up to date. Yes, guys, your technical should be up to date. If you are a beginner, just you can learn whatever the updated skills are there, technical skills, you learn about that one. If you don't know, just go through YouTube channels and other channels, or asking someone else. If you know, we are well wisher, ask them. You can up to date in all the tech skills, guys. And if you're an experienced guy, no problem. Already you knew about in something else about the skills, and just you can update in if you're missing any certifications or something, and relevant to the position what you are applying for the position, you have to be relevant for that. Say stay in current with our industry trends, technologies, best practices. Yes, consider pursuing certifications. If you need any certifications, Java certification, .NET certification, Azure certifications, AWS certifications. Yeah, and otherwise in React certifications, React Native. If you want to learn JavaScript certifications, if which one you want, online courses like in Udemy. Once you're finishing in Udemy course, and they will go to give you the certification. Just you can go through it and learn about. There are plenty of the courses are there, and just go through it and learn and get the certification. Put it in your resume. That one it will go to give you the more strength for your resume. So to enhance your skills in areas where you may be lacking. So wherever you're lacking, suppose any database issue, if you have, you're not able to, not understanding about that one, you can enhance that one and improve those skills. All the time you can improve, guys. Okay. So this one, it will go to help you. That's my tip for review technical skills where you are. And next is the tailor your resume. Yes, customize your resume for each job application to highlight relevant technical skills, experiences, accomplishments. Whenever you're trying to apply for any job interview, just you can go through their role and responsibilities, and based on that you can customize it your resume and highlight relevant technical skills, experiences, and accomplishments what you have done in your previous projects. If you are a beginner, just whatever you land and whatever certifications you have done, those things you can customize and highlight in your resume relevant technical skills. Then they can understand, okay, this guy is the beginner, this guy is the experienced candidate. And use specific examples to demonstrate your expertise in areas such as programming languages and frameworks and databases and system admin. Yeah, guys, and you can highlight an expertise and where you are expertise in particular areas. Okay, so then the interviewer or who are all recruiting people, they come to know, okay, this guy perfectly in this language and frameworks. They will go to tell to the interviewer as well, and they will go to give you the feedback about that. So all the time customize your resume, guys. Okay. Next is the practice coding challenges all the time. This is very important. Many IT job interviews involving coding challenges or technical assessments. Practice solving coding problems, algorithms, data structures. Regularly improve your skilling, solving abilities, coding proficiency. Website like Lead Code, Hacker Rank, and Code Signal offer practice problems and coding challenges, guys. Just you can do code day to day, at least, and you can strive one or three, 1 2 3 4 or 5, how many you want to, based on your time. Just you can segregate your time, like in 5 hours I'm going to prepare for the coding problems, algorithms, and data structures. If you are a beginner, you can do it in day to day under timetable, and do it in problem solving abilities, coding proficiency. If you are an experienced candidate and we don't have time to do it, and definitely what the experienced candidate can do, and at least in after finishing the work, and go for these websites like Lead Code, Hacker Rank, and Code Signal offer practice problems, coding challenges. Go through it and take in some problems and resolve it, those problems, and understand about the big one ocean. It will go to help you and more hands-on, guys. And yeah, and if you go for the interview also, if it is there any pair programming, you can solve it in straight away. There is no problem for the do it this one. So day to day, daily, you need to do practice coding challenges every day. Okay. Next is the prepare for behavioral interview questions, guys. Like in this is the interviews. Behavior means there is a technique that's called as a STAR technique. What does it mean? Situation, describe the situation. Task, what was your task in the situation? Action, what was the action you did? And results, what were the results? And the last one is the extra T is there, takeaways, and what did you learn from that one? And all the time. So you can follow this star method and explain and use in the T, and also you can explain what did you learn if you did mistake for that problem. Okay, all the time you can keep it in star technique. In additional technical questions, IT interviews often include behavioral and situational questions to assess soft skills and cultural fit, guys, and practice answering questions about the teamwork, communication, problem solving, and resolution using the star method: situation, task, action, result. I put another one is the T, takeaways, and what did you learn from that one. So all the time keep in mind. Okay. And the next is the research the company before going for interview. My suggestion is just research about the company, and what are the services, what are the missions, what the values, what is the role and responsibilities, and what is your role and responsibilities. Is if you are a junior developer, what is your responsibility? Or if you are a mid senior developer, what is your responsibility? If you are a senior developer, what is your responsibility? If you are yeah, if you, and also culture, what kind of culture. Tailor your responses during the interview to demonstrate your interest in the company and how you can contribute to its success. Okay. So if you're doing an R&D about the company, guys, and before going for interview, that is the beneficial. If they are asking some questions about the company, if you don't know about any product or services, and definitely that is the another remark, guys. And keep in mind before going to interview, just to take a pen and paper, just a few lines, just go through about the company, go through understand about the company and the products and services, and note it down all the points and values and culture. So useful for interview, guys. Okay. And the next one is the relevant questions. You should ask the interviewer relevant questions, guys. And prepare thoughtful questions to ask the interviewer about the company, team dynamics, and projects and technologies and career development opportunities. Asking insightful questions demonstrates your genuine interest and engagement in the role of the organization. Authentic is very important, guys. And what is your genuine about the engagement role and organization? Calm your head and keep quiet and ask after interview finish, and they will go to give you 10 minutes time, and hey, do you have any questions, they are going to ask you. In that time you can utilize in wisely that time and ask in more questions about your career development opportunities, team dynamics, and ask about the company, ask about your role and responsibilities, and ask about projects, and ask about technologies, and ask about and demonstrate in genuine interest and engagement of the role and organization. That's very important, guys. Ask relevant questions. Okay, let's keep in mind. And seek feedback, and after, if possible, request feedback from recruiter or interviewers after each interview. Use their insights to identify areas for improvement and adjust your approach of accordingly. Yeah, if you, if suppose for example if you not perform well in interview, there is no harm in that one. Just you can seek the feedback, ask them the recruiter or interviewer, hey, can you give me the for each interview, after each interview, can you give me the my feedback? And straight away you can ask them, or otherwise, and once you're finishing interview, and wait and write a mail to recruiter, hey, I need my feedback and what is that, and then they will go to give you the feedback and understand about that one, and then in keep in mind, and you can go for it. And that's one is going to help you a lot, guys. And if you're getting the feedback and the next interview, you can correct it, those feedback in whatever mistakes you have done this current interview, it will go to help you in future interview. Okay, all the time seek the feedback. That's very important for interviews. Okay. And mock interview. So practice mock interviews with friends, family members, or colleagues to simulate interview experience, solicit feedback on your communication style, body language, and responses to help refine your interviewing skills. Yeah. Practice mock interviews, guys, with friends, family members, colleagues to simulate the interview experience. Collect feedback on your communication style, body language all the time. Okay, you can seek the feedback your friends, guys. Once you've done the mock interview with your friends, ask the feedback. Okay, how is my body language, how I'm going to respond, is that correct or not, what is my communication skills, is good or not, and how I'm going to, your colleagues are simulate interview experience, and all the time do the more practice mock interviews. And that definitely will go to help you a lot, guys. And you are in perfectly fine if you are doing in all these mock interviews. Okay, please keep in mind, ask your family members, ask your friends to do the mock interviews. Okay, next is the same, stay calm and confident. Then nervousness during interviews can impact your performance, guys. Yeah, this is what I saw it, and definitely. And practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing and visualization to help calm your nerves. Approach each interview with confidence in your abilities and positive attitude. Yeah, so if you're getting in nervousness, so I told in my previous videos also about the nervousness. So just you can calm your head and don't worry and be confident about the interview. And everybody is getting nervousness, and keep it aside the nervousness, and fully you can show the confident deep breathing, visualization, and help calm your nervous. And each interview with confidence, ability to the positive attitude, guys. Otherwise it will go to impact your interview. Okay, keep in mind that. And stay persistent. Even if you're failing in number of times, that doesn't matter, guys, but you can stay persistent about that one. Okay, don't give up. Job searching can be a challenging process, especially in the competitive IT industry. Stay persistent, resilient, and focused on your goals. Learn from each interview experience and use it to refine your approach and future opportunity. Yeah, so as I told in earlier in this video, I can, if you are getting feedback, once you are finishing in interview, get the feedback and what you have done mistakes, and you can don't repeat in the same mistakes in the future interview, and correct it in the same. Once you are getting the feedback, correct it that one, and go for the another interview. But don't persistent. Okay, just stay persistent and don't give up. I'm saying, okay, don't give up and stay persistent, resilient, and focus on your goals. Okay, and pursue your goals, guys, in all the time. Okay, so next is okay, please subscribe my channel, guys. That's all for this intro, this about the failing IT job interviews, how to overcome it with tips and tricks. And I hope this one is will go to help you a lot, I think. So that's all, guys, and thank you for watching this in video, and we'll catch up in another video. Thank you, guys. Bye.